during the chattering induction of Elite Smashers, the Strikers Barnica Eagles Club at Johan's Restaurant, Sampaloc, Tanay Rizal, Philippines, the privilege to become regular member of the Elite Smasher, the Strikers Barnica Eagles Club.
If there any objection? If not, the resolution is hereby approved.
Motion duly approved on this 27th day of April 2025 at Johan's Restaurant, Sampaloc, Tanay Rizal, Philippines. Certified correct, signed Eagle Ferdinand L. Carpio, Charter Club Secretary. Attested by Eagle Chan Andre A. Flores, Club President. Recommending approval, Eagle Ferdinand A. Zarasa, Charter Governor, Eastern Luzon Region 6, United Strikers. Approved. Signed Eagle Ronald F. De Los Santos, National President, Eagle Year 24-2025. May I request the guest foreign speaker, Honorable Catherine Cruz Suba, to be at the center. As the matter of protocol, I have two questions to you, ma'am. Do you accept the offer of the Elite Smasher, the Strikers Barnica Eagles Club to be a regular member?
Yes, I accept.
Are you willing to abide? Question number two, are you willing to abide the rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles?
Very much willing.
By the authority of the National President, who authorized the taking my call on the Eagle Governor of Eastern Luzon Region 6, the Ferdinand Zarasa, for the proper oath taking. I request everyone to stand for the solemnity of this event.
Okay, ate, repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Maria Catherine Cruz Suba,
Having been as Eagle on site,
having been as Eagle on site,
subscribing to
into
the Eagle Constitution
the Eagle Constitution
and the bylaws,
and bylaws,
do hereby
do hereby
solemnly make oath
solemnly make oath
that I shall defend
that I shall defend
at all times
at all times
the Eagle Constitution
the Eagle Constitution
and the bylaws,
and the bylaws,
as well as on laws,
as well as on laws,
rules and regulations
rules and regulations
promulgated by the Philippine Eagle.
promulgated by the Philippine Eagle.
I shall consciously uphold
I shall consciously uphold
the Eagle Delicadeza
the Eagle Delicadeza
and moral code of ethics
and moral code of ethics
as the ultimate measure
as the ultimate measure
of my conduct and judgment
of my conduct and judgment
relative to my dealing
relative to my dealing
with the Philippine Eagles,
with the Philippine Eagles, region,
club,
club,
and my fellow Eagles.
and my fellow Eagles.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now the pinning of the Eagles pin. To be pinned by the Regional Governor of Eastern Luzon Region 6. Eagles pin. The Eagles pin is pinned at the left collar of the barong or the jacket or any sports collar that we wear. Subsequently, we introduce the make Cruz ng Eagles Hansi. Once again, congratulations. Now, Ate Catherine Cruz Suba. Please congratulate them, mga kuya. Elite Sponsor, siya po magiging member. So, yung mga member ng Elite Sponsor, please congratulate them.
Kamay mo. Hawak mo. Tili.
Bagus na eh.